Hello guys, welcome back again. In last video we have seen about making connection between Python script and database. We have not specified any database name there. That means it was just connected only with database, not a specific database. In current video we will see how we can create database by Python script, and also we will see about how to connect with specific database. So let's just continue our video. We have already made a connection in last video, right? So we have a connection object. Right now we have to execute a query to create a database. To execute a query, we need another object which is cursor object. Right now we have connection object. To create a cursor object, we can use connection object. So let's just create a cursor object. Con. This one is nothing, just a variable, your connection object. Dot. We have to call a cursor method. And that's it. Now your cursor object is created. Now you can execute any type of MySQL queries here. So let's just execute our database creation query. Cursor dot execute, and in this method you can pass your query. Create database testing db123, and that's it. Now you can execute your script in your terminal, and you can see if you get any error, that means you have to debug your code, and if you are not getting any error, that means it is successfully created. Python 3 create db.py. Just because we didn't get any error, that means it is created successfully. To verify that, we have to execute another query, which is cursor dot execute show databases. Don't worry if you don't know about MySQL queries. In this playlist, you will know much more about MySQL queries. By using this query, you can check about your databases, how much databases you have right now. Now we have executed this query. Now we have to check data, whatever we got from this query. To do that, we can use for loop for x in cursor, the cursor object, because whatever query you have executed right now, it will come in your cursor object. So cursor, and in this for loop you can print your x variable. Now let's just execute this file again. Python 3 create db.py. Now you can see we got all database name whatever I have created till now. Now you can see testing db123, this one. So I got the database name, right? So yeah, database is successfully created, and right now we have to connect database name. So for to do that, we have to just pass another parameter, which is database equal to testing db123. And again, if you want to check connection is successfully done or not, you have to print your connection object. Now let's just print and just execute the file. Now you can see we got a connection object. That means connection is successfully completed. So yeah, that's it in this video. Please keep supporting, and please just don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much guys.